Hello everyone, it's Pat at Beads and Plenty More, and today I'm going to talk about this new plier that we've got in called the Wrapmaker Pliers. They look like this. They've got a short side on one side and longer side on the other. Now this short side is to hold your wrapping wire, and the long side is to hold the square wire that you're going to wrap around. So I've got a little sample of 4 pieces of 18 gauge wire here. I found 18 gauge is always the harder wire to wrap on, so I thought we'd show you how to use the plier on a harder wire. So the half round goes into this short side, and then we're going to clamp the 4 wires with the long side here. So that's got everything nice and tight, and then we're able to just go ahead and wrap. So it goes around and come back, and the big benefit of these pliers is that they hold everything so nice and firm, rather than having to hold it with little clamps like this, or, well, generally you'd have to use something to hold. So you wrap round and round like that, and you get your nice wrap on your wire. You can give this side a tug like I usually recommend, and maybe give these one little squeeze down to hold them nice and firmly in place. And there we have it, a nice little wrap that was much quicker and easier than doing it with the by hand. So I'm going to take this color off, and I'll show you using a piece of rose gold half round wire, because it's just another color and it might be easier to see. So again, we're going to insert that half round in there, and we'll go in and clamp the pliers and the half round all together. Those nice and tight. There we are. And then this just goes around. Always in wrapping, I find that you want to kind of come up and go almost over top of the other one, and then lay it down beside, so that you get it as tight together as you possibly can. Again, come up, go almost over top, and then lay right down beside. And we'll just keep wrapping for a little bit more here, since I have that much wire. Around like that. It does help a lot to have something that holds it so firm while you're working on it. So that's how you use the new Wrapmaker pliers. Very handy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.